going to show you how to do a barbell bench press with a lying leg raise. So this is an awesome combination chest abdominal movement. You can do these on the floor, or you can set up a bench and do them straight off of a bench press. So I'm going to start with the barbell here, roll out and come down. Let's go ahead and grab the barbell. Bring it to my hips first. So as I roll back, I'm going to pop up into a barbell or into a press. So overhead press here. And this movement is going to be working a lot of abs. I'm going to bring my legs out straight. And as I bring my legs up, I'm going to bring the bar down. So chest up and down. Up. One thing you want to make sure of here is that you don't arch your back and let your back come off or use momentum when you're bringing your legs up. Okay? Keep that lower back pressed down. Only bring your feet down far enough that allows you to maintain that lower back pressed into the ground. And if you find that's too challenging, feel free to curl, curl your knees in instead of bringing them straight. Okay, that is a barbell bench press with a lying leg raise.